The biggest challenge in working a mesothelioma case or a lung cancer case is product identification. So many people went to work, earned a living, kept their family, sent their kids to school, worked for retirement, and not once did they come home and say, "Oh, I wrote down what products containing asbestos I was exposed to today." They were busy living their lives and taking care of their families. That's why we work with them with picture books. We have a multi-volume set of books containing the labels and descriptions of the various products that they are likely to have worked with that contained asbestos. We have data on the products that were shipped into the plants and the factories where we represent our clients. We have a list of other workers who may have been there at the same time this new client was, who can identify products and assist our client in identifying products. After that, the most important thing is understanding that this is a human being we're working with. This is a man or a woman who is in danger and needs our help, and needs our compassion and our sympathy and our energy, and needs to be represented as powerfully and as effectively as we can.